Drink lemon water instead of pills if you have one of these 13 problems. Drinking lemon water in the morning has become a popular trend among many people around the world. This extremely healthy drink supplies your body with antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium and other nutrients essential for boosting your immune system and fighting infections. Let's find out more about the health benefits of this amazing beverage. Health benefits of lemon water. 1. Acne. Lemon water has the ability to regulate your body pH levels and maintain the alkaline environment in your body. So, this means that it can prevent your body from turning acidic. It can treat various problems that come from it like skin inflammation and acne. 2. Kidney stones. The regular consumption of lemon water can prevent kidney stones by preventing the formation of oxalates and reducing the urine's citrate levels. 3. Boosts the immune system. Lemon water has high vitamin C and antioxidant content, so it can strengthen your immune system and prevent numerous health problems. 4. Regulate blood sugar. Lemons are high in pectin, which is fiber which controls hunger. Moreover, this drink stimulates the bile production, which decomposes food, and helps digestion. Also, this drink effectively regulates the blood sugar levels. 5. Helps you avoid cravings. Lemon water contains vitamin which can regulate your glucose levels. It also contains fiber that can curb your cravings, thus preventing diabetes and improving your digestion. Over time, this will result in significant weight loss. 6. Treats gallbladder aches. Drink lemon water with your meals in order to prevent gallbladder aches later. 7. Eliminates colds and the flu. Lemon water can prevent colds and flu due to its powerful antioxidant properties. 8. Treats GERD, acid reflux and heartburn. Due to its ability to neutralize acids, lemon water can effectively treat GERD, acid reflux and heartburn. 9. Strengthens your nails and hair. The regular consumption of lemon water can strengthen your nails and hair. 10. Prevents food poisoning. To stay safe from food poisoning, drink lemon water when traveling abroad. 11. Relieves inflammation. Lemons have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can neutralize acids and reduce the inflammation in your tissues, which can contribute to numerous health problems. 12. Reduces the risk of sore muscles. To reduce the risk of sore muscles, drink lemon water after workouts. 13. Reduces joint pain and swelling. The regular consumption of lemon water can reduce joint swelling and pain, thus prevent the development of arthritis and gout.
Yeah.